In this video, I shall tell how to install ImageMagick and use it to transport images in different versions like thumbnail, small, medium, like this. Okay, so let's start. This is the ImageMagick official URL. You can download the latest builds from here. So if you are Linux user, you can download from here, and actually I am Windows user, so we'll go at the bottom. You can see here Windows binary release, and I have installed currently this one. After successfully installing the ImageMagick, come to the folder where the images to be transported are present. So this is the image which I want to transport, right? So to transport this image, we need a batch file. So I am creating a new batch file using Notepad. So this is the Notepad, and I have written the code for transporting images. This is the code. You can copy from here and paste. I shall share the GitHub link. So I am saving this, and this path should be the same folder where the images are present. So my images are present to be transported here. So I have navigated to this folder, and now I am renaming it as encode.bat. Save it, and now you can see my batch file here, this one. So this is the batch file, and this is the image to be transported. Here can be multiple files, there is no issue. And yeah, let us see what is the code actually. So the code says loop over all the JPG images. So all the images should be JPG. So what the code does is traverse through all the JPG image and create a new folder with the same image name, and copy the original image to that folder, in this folder, and after that convert the original image in different versions like thumbnail, small, medium, and large. You can set the size as you wish and the quality. If you don't want to play with all these parameters, so you can simply copy and paste this in the Notepad and save it as .bat file. So .bat is actually batch file, right? So this is the batch file, and this is the image, and this is the JPG image. You can see this is the JPG image, right? Now come to the command prompt and navigate to the folder where my images are present. So this is the pictures, but I have to navigate to images. So cd images. Now run this batch file in code.bat, right? So you can see that transcoding has been done. Sometimes it may be that there is a need of running command prompt with administrator privilege, means you can run the command prompt as administrator, and after that you can do the same thing, right, in code.bat. So you can see here that pick large, pick medium, pick original, pick small, pick thumb, right? So this is the whole procedure of doing transcoding of images. This is basically very similar to video transcoding. So there is another video of video transcoding, you can refer to that also. Both are similar, but software are different. This is done with this is done with ImageMagick, and that was done by FMPeg, right? That's it. Thank you.